We do have 24/7 support. Users, and usually what is most effective while users are in the lab environment is our chat option, which is in the bottom right corner. We do have live chat with people who can help them with any issues related to the environment, connecting to the environment, any questions they may have about using the labs. Users can also access our support team via this little support and contact us option on the left-hand side. They can either submit an email form to us, which we'll get back to as soon as possible, or they can send a direct email or call us with the information on this page as well. Of note, so while we do have these observed holidays, we do cover these periods. We do have people who still cover this. However, we include this as a warning that those days may take a little bit longer than normal.